Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrishti's Makeup Company and I'm back with yet another amazing video. Today's video is going to be very helpful because I'm here to share 5 tips of choosing and applying the correct foundation in this summer season. Isn't it so difficult to maintain that flawless look all day with the heat outside? So let me help you with this. Let me quickly share 5 tips that are going to help you to maintain that flawless look on your face by choosing the correct method and the correct foundation. So let's quickly dive into the first one, being that always opt for a lightweight or a oil-free foundation. So generally what happens in summers is that any heavy foundation that is oil-based or that is not gel-based can weigh very heavy on your skin, and with the heat outside it might just slide off your skin. So the best is to either use a gel-based foundation or a foundation which sits very light on your skin. For example, the one that I'm using is Born This Way from Too Faced in the shade Sand. This is one foundation that I started using not very recently, of course. I started using like maybe a year back or something. And trust me, this is probably my fourth bottle because I absolutely love the formulation of this. So it's very, very lightweight. It also does have a little shine to it, but it does not leave your face looking oily. So I think it's the perfect blend for a summer season. 2.5 pumps of this all over my face, and I'm pretty much good to go like all. So the second point being very important is that you must prioritize your SPF protection. Not all foundations that you buy or either are already using have an SPF element to it. You must check that because a lot of people don't know about it. In summers, the sun can be very harsh on your skin, and sometimes it can leave your foundation even with cracks, and you don't want that. So always apply a good thick layer of SPF. There are some people who don't like that creamy texture. So, my suggestion to them is that I use this sunscreen stick. It's very lightweight. It is almost like a transparent kind of, you know, stick which does not leave any white layer or any sort of an extra layer on my face. So this is the Shiseido clear sunscreen stick. You can opt for this. Some people who have very dry skin, you can still go for a creamy texture. It will leave your skin a little moisturized. But whichever way you're opting for, whether it's gel, whether it's a stick, whether it's a cream, SPF is a must. Even if your foundation has SPF element to it, try give an extra layer of protection in the summer season. It is definitely needed. The third one being my personal favorite because I use this step in the most extensive manner, and I use like, I think my maximum product is this product when I do my makeup. It is the setting spray and the setting powder. You cannot walk out of your house without locking all your makeup that you have used on your face properly in this heat outside. So you need a very good setting spray, you need a very good setting powder and a good amount of setting powder that can lock all your products together, that can minimize the pores and the shine on your face so that you don't get that sweaty feel on your face after some time. Now, any translucent powder can work for you, any setting powder can work for you that is suiting your shade or your style or your skin. Anything is okay. The only thing is that please apply an ample amount of that setting powder everywhere. Especially apply the loose powder in your under eye area because the fine lines can actually deposit a lot of foundation when sweaty. Also in your laugh lines, because these are places where the cracks actually start to appear after some time when you've been outside. Also, let me just help you out with one little tip. According to me as a makeup artist, I really don't follow any rule of setting spray. I never suggest that a setting spray is only to be used in the beginning or at the end. You can use it even during the makeup. What I generally do is I have some good sprays of setting spray in the beauty blender that I use. And the one that I use is again from Too Faced. It's called Hangover 3 in 1. It's got that really nice coconut mist and that coconut flavor to it. Like, it smells really good and it stays really, really long. The setting powder I use is, I don't use one, I do use a multiple one. Maybe we could have a video only about setting powder. So if you would like that video where we can talk about different types of setting powders, let me know in the comment section below. But today I'm only telling you the one that I use the most. It's Fit Me from Maybelline. You can use any that you've been either using or you like or that suits you. But these two products are very important to lock all your products together before you step out of your house with this gorgeous makeup for it to last a long day. The fourth tip is for people who are looking out for wearing makeup for very, very long hours. So they need a very long wearing makeup or a long wearing foundation, to which the solution is only waterproof. Generally, I suggest that all your makeup should be waterproof because that is something that just lasts very long. But in this extreme condition outside, for people who are looking out to wear makeup for very long hours, what I would suggest is mix two foundations. That is something that has been working for me for years. So, what I generally do is I take my Too Faced foundation, I mix it with a pump of either Huda or a pump of NARS. So both work for me. The reason being, what happens is one formulation can never have it all. So sometimes when you're looking for a long lasting foundation base, mixing two foundation helps you because two formulas get together and give you a product which would give you the best kind of results. This is a tip that actually worked out for me. So what I would like for all of you to do is give it a try. So we're down to our last tip, which is very important. As a makeup artist, I can definitely tell you that less is more. In the summer season, please go light on your finish. On light on your finish means that please use less amount of product on your face. Even if you want a full coverage makeup and if you want like a heavy look on your face, please build up your makeup slowly and gradually. Instead of taking four pumps of foundation at one go and then trying and blending it out, please go slow, like maybe one pump at a time. Place it on your skin, blend it out properly, let it rest well, let it sit well on your skin for some time, and maybe then go for another layer. What happens is it takes some time in the summer season for the foundation to blend with the temperature of your body. And the more you cake it up, it's going to give you that flaky or that cakey feel to it, so that's not going to look very good. The technique is more important than the product and makeup, that is for sure. We're going to make a completely different video about the techniques of different products, how you should use them. But this point being the last for the summer season, all I can say is go light on your finish. I spoke about 5 tips in the beginning, but I feel all of you deserve just two more additional tips. So let me quickly give you a life-saving tip in summers. That is the blotting paper. Always, always have this blotting paper in your bag. It's very easy to carry. All you've got to do is just kind of take one, place it on your skin whenever you're like sweating, and just dab it all away. So what happens is this does not move your product or it does not move your makeup anywhere, and just gets rid of that excessive sweat that you're having on your face. If you don't have access to blotting paper, it's perfectly fine. Pick up any tissue that you can get your hands on and just kind of dab the sweat away. Never rub it away because it will move the product from its place. So just a dab, 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 and you are good to go. The second additional tip that I talk about is that please choose your shade of the foundation correctly. The shade of your skin does not remain the same as it would be in winters. In summers, you have a tendency to get tanned. You also have tendencies of hyperpigmentation. Some of the times, because of the sun outside, your skin is a little burnt. So please don't keep carrying that one shade that you are using in winter seasons in the summers, because that does not work. Please have a few shades at home which you can mix and match and maybe try and see the perfect one that's actually working for you now. These were some tips from my side that can help your foundation look flawless. So that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video and I really hope these tips work out for you. My Instagram handle is Shrishti's Makeup Company. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any fab update coming your way. I say stay beautiful and keep watching for more.